I'm Amrita. My age is 34. I am from Hyderabad. I had been struggling with thyroid issues for the past 8 years. Even taking medication doesn't help my condition at all. I experienced symptoms like fatigue and constipation. Even it's like persisted for the past 8 years. I found Wellcure while searching for ways to manage my condition without medication. Dr. Prashanti and Nivedita guided me patiently throughout my journey, which made a significant difference. Gradually, I started recovering from my illness. After conceiving, I found that this lifestyle helped me immensely. Compared to my previous pregnancy, this pregnancy is like ace. I had no symptoms, I had nothing. So it was like no fatigue, no vomiting, no other things because my lifestyle is like a nature cure. So it's all like guided by doctors. So we have to follow it sincerely. That's the one key. And my previous pregnancy, I was suffering like anything, low hemoglobin level. So it was like anything they will say and make me to do. So I didn't have any knowledge. This time I didn't need any supplement or medication. That's the one of the important key factors. Wellcure support education and resources gave me confidence and prepared me for the motherhood. Dr. Prashanti consistently provided me with valuable information and knowledge about natural birthing, pregnancy, and breastfeeding. With Nivedita guidance also, it helped me a lot. Her guidance was instrumental in emergency situations and I felt confident during childbirth. Currently, my baby and I are doing well. Although his sleep cycles are changing, he sleeps peacefully at whatever time it's like flexible. So he doesn't have any calling, any issues. He won't cry unnecessarily. So we didn't provide any vaccination. So it's all like guided by the doctors. So they have all the knowledges. I'm breastfeeding my baby with sufficient breast milk. My postpartum recovery is amazing. Thanks to the whole food plant-based diet guided by the doctor team, I would strongly recommend Wellcure to anyone in need.